today I'll show you how to create simple filters on Yahoo Mail, and you can do that pretty easy and you can personalize your email experience. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete a few folders because I want to create one with you guys live, because we can personalize with the help of the filters the emails to get into a specific folder. So I just named this folder totally random new folder ASD, okay, and let's press on this button. If you want to create a new folder, you'll just have to press here, and if you want to delete a folder, press on this pointing down arrow, then you press on delete folder. Okay, so with this folder, let's see how we can make some emails to get into this specific folder. Maybe you want somebody's email to get into this one. Yeah, so in the top right corner you'll find settings. Okay, I will hit that, and in this menu hit more settings, and now a new menu will pop up, and on the left side try to find filters, and inside here, as you can see, I have 3 filters. I will delete all the filters. If you want to delete one, select it, then press on this trash bin icon and press on delete, and I will do the same with all the filters which I have. Alright, now I have none. Let's see how can we create a new filter on Yahoo Mail. I will press here on add new filters, and filter name, let's name it test filter. Alright, set rules. Here you will have to select contains and type filter value. Here enter the sender email address, the person that sent us the email. As an example, john@gmail.com. okay, maybe you want this person emails to receive into a folder, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will put my email address because we'll try to compose one later on to see if that will end up into that folder. Okay, so enter here whose email address you want. Okay, now what's left to do down below at choose a folder to move to, I will select the new folder which we created together. Okay, and basically I can press on save right now. Don't forget, here is the email, is my own email address, because I want to compose a new email and see if that will end up in this folder. Here you will have to place whoever email you want, maybe a friend, maybe a coworker, and press on save. Now I want to get back on the main page of Yahoo Mail. Press on compose, and let's send an email to ourselves. I will put to my email address. Subject, let's place a random, let's type random subject, okay, and press on send. And now this email shouldn't arrive in the inbox folder. It should arrive into the new folder ASD which we created. Let's just wait a moment, maybe refresh the Yahoo page, and yes, now at the new folder ASD you can see one number, 1 there, because I have one email, and if I enter here I can see my email with random subject at it. So this is how to create a filter from scratch on Yahoo Mail. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.